Hi, my name is Kien, and we are getting ready for the Veronica Beard show with Oribe Hair Care. We came up with a look that is flowy. It's about the texture, it's about the waves that we're creating with soft, beautiful ends. Matte waves enhances your natural texture. It gives that salty finish to the hair without the dryness. A couple of pumps of matte waves in your hands and rake it through the hair and start doing a rough blow dry. Elevate your sections and start bending and folding the hair. Move into the second ring of the crown and repeat the same process. Bump the base for volume. After letting it cool, we want to just take down each section, starting section by section. We're going to enhance the ends with a little bit of our AirStyle. It's an incredible soft texturizing pomade that is more whipped than it is more of a pomade. With a couple of pins, just place the hair back. We're going to use an elastic thread and we're just going to lock the bottom nape in and shape the hair. That's the look. This is the final look that I created for Veronica Beard Autumn Winter 2016 using all the texturizing products to create this beautiful, natural, bohemian look for Veronica Beard.